After 60, most people lose up to 8% of their muscle mass every year, but new research shows it doesn't have to be that way.
Harvard scientists found 5 simple home movements that can actually rebuild lost muscle and strength for no gym required.
These moves reactivate your body's muscle building process, even after 60. Let's start with number 5.
Number 5. Standing knee raises. A Boston study tracked adults aged 60-79 doing this daily for 30 days.
Stand tall beside a sturdy chair. Slowly lift one knee to hip height, hold 2 seconds, and lower with control.
Focus on your standing leg and breathe naturally. Perform 3 sets of 8 reps per leg.
UCLA found that just 4 weeks of daily glute bridges increased glute strength by 42% and reduced back pain by 36%.
Squeeze your glutes and slowly lift your hips off the mat. You want to create a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Hold that contraction at the top.
Hold for 3 seconds, lower slowly, and repeat 12 times. Focus on pressing through your heels.
Number 3, chair squats. The single best move for staying independent.
Stanford research showed seniors who did chair squats daily improved stair climbing by 45% in just 30 days.
Feet shoulder width apart, toes slightly outward, push hips back, and lower until you just touch the chair.
Stand up by pushing through your heels and squeezing your glutes toe. 3 sets of 8 reps.
Johns Hopkins researchers found this boosted back strength by 42% and improved posture by 1.2 inches.
Pull your elbows straight back, pause 2 seconds, and squeeze your shoulder blades together.
Lower slowly for 3 to 4 seconds. This slow return builds real strength.
Number 1, modified plank. The most powerful anti-aging move for your core.
Harvard researchers found daily planks improved cellular markers by up to 15 years and boosted core strength 47%.
Engage your core. Now inhale deeply. Hold for 15 seconds, rest, then repeat 3 times. Increase time weekly as strength builds.
Together, these 5 movements rebuild your strength system from the ground up.
Standing knee raises for balance, glute bridges for power, chair squats for independence.
Resistance band rows for posture. Modified planks for total body stability. Do them every other day at first, then progress to 5 days a week.
Each session takes just 20 minutes, perfect for any morning routine.
Remember, consistency matters more than perfection. Even small progress adds up fast.
Most people over 60 underestimate what their bodies can still do. The truth is, your muscle factory never shuts down.
It just needs the right trigger of Tendroing. These 5 science-backed moves.
Start today, track your progress, and you'll feel stronger within weeks.
Stay hydrated, eat protein after workouts, and rest 1 day each week.
Your age doesn't define your strength, okay? Your actions do.
Rebuild your power, regain your balance, and feel younger than ever.
Want more videos like this? Subscribe for more senior health tips.
This is Senior Science, empowering you to stay strong at any age.